Hello guys, coming back to you with the one more set of informative video. This video will cover how to set up a work from home setup for majority of the software professionals who are asked to work from home nowadays, and it eases your job. You need not to commute to your work facing all the hectic traffic. So one or the other way it is easy, but in the meantime you will face certain ergonomic related issues because of continuously sitting in front of a laptop in inappropriate posture, which will lead to back pain or any other body related aches in the longer future. So today we will see how to set up a work from home setup with a bigger screen of 70 centimeter by 55 centimeter bigger a secondary screen installations to your laptop, so that you can either use it as an extended option of having two screens at a time in order to compare your various data. Also you can just make sure that you are duplicating the screen from your laptop and you are looking at a bigger screen so as to avoid strain to your eyes. Okay, so let us get started. I've bought this table. It is a very compact table which has enough space to have a bigger screen, followed by you can keep your laptop here, and if you need you can also place the keyboard which comes along with the dual screen, a mouse, and all other setups can be made. It has a adequate storage capacity inside. Whenever you are not using your laptops or any other electronic devices, diaries, everything can be kept inside. So this is one of the uses. So this is the setup which I have got from my organization. This is a screen holder or your desktop holder stand. So I've bought one thing purchased from the market is a 4-way extension. This is worth somewhere close to 500 bucks, and I've just connected this to my 3-phase connection, 3-pin connection over here, just to ensure that we are getting adequate power inputs over here. So this is the screen. It has got a coupling over here which goes and gets connected to this stand. So we need not to do anything much. Just to avoid issues later on, I'll just connect all the input cables first to this. So this is a power input to this screen. So this is a 3-pin. So we'll just do one thing. We'll connect the power over here, because later on stage it gets congested and messy. So I've connected the power cable. This goes to power input. This is a 3-pin with the phase, neutral, and earthing connection. So I'll just connect this, and we need one more HDMI to HDMI cable to connect it to your docking station. So this is a HDMI to HDMI cable. So where is the HDMI port? Here it is. So I'll just connect this HDMI to HDMI. So these two inputs are given at this point of time. This is adequate, and we will place this here. So this coupling goes and sits over here, so it's very easy to mount. So this is all set. So these are the two cables now. This one needs to be connected to your power, and one needs to be connected to your docking station. The docking station model number is Dell WD19TB, worth 14,000 bucks in Indian rupees. And the purpose of this is to ensure that it takes the multiple inputs from your keyboard, from your mouse, even from your system, and gives you one output. So this is one way it synchronizes all the devices together and ensures that we are not connecting too many cords onto your laptops. So you can just connect one cord to your laptop and everything is in sync. In order to give the power input to this docking station, I have a AC adapter. This is a normal AC adapter, 240 volt and 50 to 60 hertz. This goes into power. This port comes and gets connected to your power cable. So here is the power input. So this is one kind of connection is ready. So let us connect this to power. So this comes in handy when you have a small setup for your work from home. I will do a proper thorough routing after this, and I will show you how it looks like at the end. And now it may look slightly messy, but we will make sure that it looks beautiful and it's not impacting your work. So this is the input in. Now whatever the other parameters which are required, you need to connect your keyboard to this system. So how do you connect? You connect it this way. Over here it has got a USB. So you have a USB, so just connect this to USB. And if you want to connect your mouse, so you have a one more USB, so you can connect it to. So the mouse is connected. Now this is the HDMI which we have taken it from the screen. This needs to be synced with the docking station. So where is the HDMI? So this is the HDMI station. So now all the devices are connected. This is how you set up a work from home equipment required for your day-to-day activities. And I will share the links to purchase this compact table, your second screen, docking station. For your information, I will publish this in the description boxes in the description, so that you can go over, check it over, purchase if you want to. Okay, hope you have liked this video. You find this informative enough. You will be able to install your work from home setup at home without anyone's help using this video. For many more such informative videos and amazing contents, please like, share and subscribe our channel so that it can grow further and reach many more needy people. Thank you so much. Have a good day.